RDDT is down 1.28%. This is on top of the loss of 6.61% it printed yesterday, the 13th of November. So this is 14th pre-market session. Okay, so underlying trend on Reddit stock is now bearish. Now bearish, even though it doesn't look it. It's almost neutral to bearish. Okay, it's resting on a critical support. That's 189.91. If it drops below that, it has actually dropped below that. So there's a chance that it may go on to test. What do we have here? There's a chance it may go on to test 183.61. That's something that can happen. What is it currently trading at right now? It's at 187. So that is something that can happen. So expect such a thing to happen. Let's see now. Let's have a look at its 4 hour chart. Okay, before we do that, let's see now. Um, 208.60. The probability of it retesting 208.60 is not high at all. Let's see now. Probability of it retesting 208, yeah, not high as if you combine the two moving averages, it's not high at all. It's not high at all. Not high, less than 50% that it can do that. So if you consider 2.1, so here we have 210.3, less than 50%, 208.03, less than 50%. So the probability that it will retest those sort of levels is not very high. Okay, what of 219.95 is equally not high. These are the values I'm considering. The first value here, which is the 10-day moving average. So when I place my cursor there, and then I consider the moving average there. Okay, it's less than our target. Our target is 219.38 in this case. So if you do the calculation, you find out that the probability will be less than 50%. Okay, so let's have a look at its 4 hour chart to see whether it has tested 183. Did it ever? Let's see now. Here we have 184.99. So it hasn't done that yet. It hasn't done that so far. So far, it hasn't done that. No, it hasn't done that. So there's a support down here of 184.17. So 183 is not there. Let's see now. We have 179.79. Okay, so if it prints 183, if it declines to 183, then it might test 179.79. Okay, but the algo seem to be suggesting that yes, maybe a slight distribution may remain in place at least up till midday today. Then by the close of today's trading session, it would have had a bounce, and that bounce or the strength from the bounce may remain in place up till the 25th of November. This is an extrapolation, no guarantee that that will be the case at all. Projections are currently saying, beginning from the downward projections, we have 120.72, 134.20, 156. Upper projections 226.86, 247.09, 259.60. Okay, so there's a broader sector rotation concerning AI and software stocks, and indeed Reddit could easily be roped into that sector as well. So there's a broader rotation from from those stocks. I don't exactly know where they are going into. The sell-off has been in place, I think, since let's just say since we're getting to a week now, probably a week now. And it may remain in place for some time to come. We've been seeing Nvidia, some of these chip stocks. They've been printing lower prices. They've been showing a lot of weakness, of late. So it may well be affecting Reddit. The company has been trying its best to attract more advertisers on its site, and let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes by the next time, by its next earnings outcomes. So as things stand right now, this is what's going on. So whatever the situation is, we can see this extrapolation here saying that it might bounce. There's something to be traded in terms of options. So sophisticated traders know something, one or two things to do as it concerns options. Okay, so up here we have Reddit stock is a high beta stock. Volatility is expected to remain within its historical levels as things stand right now. So this is the pre-market session. Not a lot has happened in terms of shares going through, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. There's a good chance that it may well, if it breaks through that $189, 184.97. If yeah, it has actually done that, so there's a good chance that the war prices may still print. This extrapolation going on here, who knows whether it's going to do that. But if it doesn't, that'll be good. That's a positive. So have a look and see what you make of Reddit stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.